Hi, I'm Prisha and I'm an account strategist. As an account strategist, I help businesses grow by educating them on Google Ads. Some of my favourite aspects of digital marketing is how collaborative it is, and I really enjoy working with loads of different people, and I love being able to make a difference and really putting out the best possible content there is for my clients' users or for anyone out there. When entering marketing, it's so okay to not have as much experience as you think you need. I came into marketing with zero experience, and my biggest advice is to be really open-minded and to kind of not to fear rejection, because you'll be applying for so many different things, and it's okay to not get the role at the start because you'll work towards it in the future. My YouTube channel was something I decided to do when I was 16, and I started it because I wanted to raise awareness of my chronic condition, to help make a difference to the community, and to show others that anyone with a chronic condition or a visible difference can achieve their dreams or their goals. I started to also talk about makeup, but also travel vlogs and educational vlogs, and then I leaned into more apprenticeship / career related content just to raise awareness of that too. I was able to learn what my followers or what my community love most about my channel and kind of keep that going so that I'm able to grow even further. From my YouTube channel and running my own social media, I learned so many different things that I could bring into my day-to-day role during my apprenticeship. For example, one being the importance of being consistent with your campaigns. So when you're kind of running multiple different campaigns, having that consistent messaging is so important. And I did that through my YouTube channel, Instagram and TikTok, just to ensure that people understood my brand and my story on different places. When I was 18 years old, I decided to choose an apprenticeship over university, as at school I knew my passion was digital marketing and I was going to study economics, but I realised that with my passion lying in digital marketing, why not start my career early? And I knew I really enjoyed it from my work experience on my YouTube channel. When I was interviewing for these different roles, one the apprenticeship and my full-time role at Google, I really wanted to show the importance of passion and how excitement goes a long way. And if you're passionate about something, that will carry you forward through any role or through any interview. So something I tried doing the apprenticeship when I had no experience was that I am passionate about digital marketing and I've done X, Y, Z to kind of really show that through my YouTube channel and through different things. So I think through anything, if you can show you're passionate and really excited about something, that will go a long way. When starting out in digital marketing or any career, it can be really nerve-wracking and you can have imposter syndrome and you can really feel like you're not meant to be here. And that's something that I faced in the apprenticeship, but also transitioning to a full-time role. My advice would be in that is just talk to loads of people and you'll see how many people actually feel like they are having imposter syndrome. And I think from talking about it over time, you'll kind of realize you do deserve to be here and you have earned this position. Finding a mentor can be really helpful. With your mentor, you can actually work on short-term goals, long-term goals, and they can help you with the different fears you may have. For example, I had a fear in public speaking, and my mentor and I were able to work on that and kind of set these short-term goals to be able to help me achieve it, so that now I'm able to present and do different initiatives based on that. I am super excited for you to complete this course and for you to be more passionate than you already are on digital marketing, just like myself. And I can't wait for you to complete this and for you to have all the relevant skills to become a digital marketer. Good luck.